Good morning, campers, and today's cooking speciality is I'm going to use the baking tray, the bread baking tray, for a change. It's been rising all day, this dough. It's not a bad dough. I made the cut and I sprinkled it with flour. It's just time to rise. I've got the cooker warming up, and I should be placing it in there to rise a little bit. I've got the oven on just wake up 50 degrees. That should help it rise. Excuse my left hand. I'm filming with my right hand. It's already risen, actually. It's this warm oven will help it along. Okay, campers, that's it. You see, my cooker needs a clean.